Lastly, number 4, it is Zesco United of Zambia. They've played 2 matches, 0 wins, 0 draws, 2 defeats, and a goal difference of -2 and 0 points collected. So, Kaizer Chiefs, who will be the Kaizer Chiefs key player? Claude Lilepo is their key player going into this match. For Zesco United, key player, it is Derek Obame. Since Nazri Nabi's departure in late 2025, core coaches Cedric Gazi and Khalil Ben Youssef have stabilized the ship. They are currently third